Oh my God, I love those shirts so much. I want one so bad. I'm gonna go to her website. Wait a minute. How do I know when I subscribe? What do I do? What's happening?
All right, calm down. Let me just show you what to do. Open up your YouTube and go down to the bottom right and click on your account. Then up to the top right and hit settings. Scroll down to manage all history and go to interactions. Next, scroll down to channel subscriptions, and in there, you will see all of the channels you're subscribed to. Scroll down until you find me, and you will see your date.
Oh.
Now you can create your own custom shirt.
Oh.
Okay, so go to my merch store and choose the shirt you want to customize. The ones we were wearing were my CDornerFitness logo shirt. Click on it and choose the color you want. Next, scroll down to Edit and hit Customize. Then click the back of the shirt, go over to Text, and you can add your subscribe date right there. You can even move it around, change the font color and the font.
Oh.
Once you're happy with that, you could even add another text box and put your name on it if you want. Then choose size and quantity and add to cart.
Okay. Thanks.
The minute you walked in the joint,